children. Now I am going to tell you a beautiful story. The Bluebird's Garden. The little bluebirds lived in a nest on the tallest tree in the pretty garden. There were many plants in the garden. Where did she lived in?
Nest.
Nest. Very good. There were many plants in the garden. So little bluebird could not remember all the plants' names. Butterfly. Butterfly said what the plants look like and what it feels like. Then you will able to all remember the plant's name. Oh, okay, I will try this tomorrow. The next day, the bluebird sat on the pink rose. And bluebird said, the petals are so soft and the smell are very nice. Then the little bluebird flew away. Then the bluebird sit on the sunflower. Then bluebird said, it is very big flower, an amazing flower. Then bluebird flew away from the sunflower. Then bluebird saw on the lotus. It is very big leaf and pink petals. Then bluebird said, it is very beautiful. Then bluebird flew away from the lotus and sit on the grass. It is very so soft and tickled her. Then bluebird remember all the plants' name. But bluebird's her favorite one tree. It is called Kudumuga tree. Thank you. I hope all you like this video. Subscribe the video.